at some point education comes unglued because of its industrial bias and the way it's worked. But it's not immediately clear that, the time of the great ungluing is any time in the next 5 years. So they always say if you're going to make a prediction, either predict an event or a date, but never both at the same time. I'll make the prediction without the date, which is the great tension in education right now, especially at the college level, to some degree at the high school level, is the tension between the message we send to students. I've got actually some alumni here in the front row who will laugh because we lived this tension at ITP, between what the message from the college to the students, which is welcome to the community of scholars, you're entering a discursive environment, small seminar classes are the best classes, we want you to share things with each other, we want you to have study groups together, and the message to the outside world is, we do quality control of individual minds. Right? We inject facts in through the top of their skull, we slap a diploma on their foreheads, and we ship them off to you. And the thing that keeps those two messages from colliding is the fact that one message is on the inside and the other message is on the outside. Because it's not like every 18-year-old can also be publishing what's going on with them in college, except now it is exactly like that. And a guy named Chris Avenir, in fact, was called up for charges at Ryerson University in Canada for having a Facebook study group. The name of the study group was exactly the name of the room on campus where real-world study groups met. But the fact that it was on Facebook freaked the college out so badly that they almost expelled it. So the tension between what we know of actual human learning, which is that it goes on in groups, and when people run into a problem, they turn to each other, and what colleges tell the outside world, and to some degree high schools tell the outside world about a diploma as certification, that for my money is one of the places that this is going to come unglued quite dramatically. There are obviously some changes in publishing, and certainly as the textbooks move electronic, those changes will happen. But for my money, the big change in the educational environment is really going to be about the integration of the culture of collaboration in tension with the message of individual per-person education. And there's no way to fix the current system. We actually need a new theory of education that takes